Hi, Terry VanNoy. Welcome to Math Class with Terry V. Hope this video helps you out, and if you enjoy it, please share it, comment, or like it. And you can also go to my website, MathPowerLine.com. It's a math resource blog, lesson videos for students, and other resources for parents and teachers. Give me a call or go to my website or email. All right, let's go to today's lesson. Hello, this is Terry VanNoy in his online classroom. This is Math Class with Terry V. This is the second video in the series about writing equations of lines, of linear equations, in standard form. Now this is an example of some information we're given and we need to try to put it together into a standard form of the equation of the line. So let me remind you that the standard form looks like this. AX plus BY equals C. Now what does that mean? Well, if A, B, and C are integers, it means that something X plus something Y equals something, some other kind of integer or fraction or number on the other side. Okay? The clue here though, or the key actually, is to remember to start with the slope-intercept form. Okay? And if you remember from a little bit of your algebra days, that is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. All right, well, slope is given right there as a -1. We don't know the y-intercept, but we do know what x and y are. The 3 is actually going to represent the x, and the 1 is going to represent the y. Okay, and again, this is a review of a previous video. So what we do is we plug those values in so we can solve for b, the y-intercept. All right, so if y is 1, we're going to have 1 equals -1, which is your slope, times x, which is 3. I'll use parentheses to show the multiplication, and plus b from the slope-intercept form. So 1 equals -3 plus b. We're going to go ahead and add 3 to each side, and we're going to get 4. b equals 4. I'm going to put it over here. So what that gives us is y equals -1, because -1 is the slope, x plus 4. Okay? Now, to put this in standard form, we just need a little bit of algebra manipulation. So here we go. We want all the x's and y's on one side, and that means we're going to be adding a positive 1x on each side here. The -1x and positive 1x cancel, leaving me with 1x plus y equals 4. So that's the standard form of the equation. Now let's go ahead and take a brief look at what that would look like on the graph. You can do this without graph paper, as I just demonstrated, but let's take a look. I'm going to change colors to green here, and we're going to locate the 0.31. So we're going to go out positive 3 and up 1, and we're going to have a slope of -1, which means down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, and so on. So now I can draw my line, which would look like that. All right? So that's what the line would look like. Now notice that our y-intercept, we said it was 4 from doing it algebraically, and notice how if I drew this line correctly, it should meet right there at a positive 4 on the y-axis. All right, go ahead and look for the next video in the series for some more examples. All right, there you have it. I invite you to go to my website now, MathPowerLine.com, or email me or give me a call. The way I work best with students is live online in my classroom. So if I can help you in any way, answer some specific questions, the first lesson with me is free as I show you how everything works. All right, study hard and take care.